Hello and welcome to Urbano News. Today we're going to unbox this beautiful Señadores Limited Edition 2019. The cigar inside is a Hermosos No.2, the same as the Patagas Legados. So this is a limited edition 2019. The Patagas Legados was a limited edition 2020. The packaging is beautiful, as you can see. It's gold. Here you have the limited edition band, gold and black. Let's have a look at those 25 cigars. This is a beautiful box, limited edition band here, 2019. Quai 25 Señadores. So look, beautiful box. Look at this. Very unusual design, unique as far as I remember. So, look at this box. It's a limited edition 2019, but this was made in November 2020. There's been some delays because of COVID. Let's have a look inside. Description sheet. So 48 by 157, 48 ring, 15.7 centimeters. It's an Hermosos No.2. And look at these beauties. Beautiful cigars, beautiful cigars. So out of the limited edition 2019, which are the Allones No.2 from Ramon Allones and the Montecristo Supremos, this cigar, I really like to smoke the Montecristo Supremos, but this one for me was not ready at the beginning, so I'm aging the cigar because I think it will be much better in a few years. So this same as the Ramon Allones No.2, the Montecristo Supremos limited edition 2019 for me was ready to be smoked. A beautiful cigar, but this for me was still a bit young, a bit too young. So here is the box. These cigars are really, really, really beautiful. Beautiful stick. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please kindly subscribe. It's very helpful. Thank you and goodbye.